Beavers build dams primarily to create a stable, secure environment that enhances their chances of survival. The main purpose of a dam is to raise the water level of nearby streams or rivers, creating a pond where beavers can build their lodges. These lodges, typically made from a combination of branches, mud, and vegetation, are constructed with underwater entrances, providing beavers with protection from predators such as wolves, bears, and coyotes. By raising the water level, the dams flood areas around the lodge, which allows beavers to access a greater variety of food sources, especially in winter when other resources are scarce. Beavers feed on a diet primarily composed of tree bark, twigs, and aquatic plants, and the pond created by the dam provides them with easy access to their food caches that they store underwater. In addition to providing protection and access to food, beaver dams play a crucial role in regulating their local environment. The damming process slows the flow of water, which can help reduce erosion and maintain the stability of surrounding ecosystems. This alteration of the water flow can create wetlands, which serve as habitats for a variety of other species, including birds, fish, and amphibians. The ponds and wetlands created by beaver dams can also improve water quality by filtering out sediments and pollutants. Furthermore, the creation of ponds and wetlands can help stabilize groundwater levels and even reduce the risk of downstream flooding, as the dams act as natural reservoirs that store excess water during heavy rains. Beavers' natural instinct to build dams also stems from their need to modify their environment to meet their biological needs. This behavior has been honed over thousands of years, making beavers one of nature's most skilled engineers. Through their dam building, beavers contribute to ecosystem biodiversity, as their activities shape the landscape in ways that benefit many other species. Thus, the construction of dams by beavers is a complex survival strategy, deeply intertwined with their ecological role and their ability to thrive in a variety of environments. Thank you for watching. We have some amazing videos coming up, so stay tuned and make sure to hit the subscribe button.